and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I safely remove my crochet braids. So you want to get your equipment, so you will need scissors and a mirror, and you can also get a scrunchie just to catch your hair up. So the first step is to locate your hair. So if you have a braid that you had to tuck underneath your cornrows, you want to locate that braid. My braid is somewhere at the top in between the cornrows. Hopefully I'll be able to find it. Once you locate that braid, then you can start cutting. Alright, so here is my hair. This is the only loose hair that I have. So I am gonna use a clip or something just to secure it so I won't cut it when I'm cutting out my crochet braids. So after you've located your hair, then you can start removing your crochet braids. So when I'm removing my crochet braids, I like to work in sections. So I'm gonna go cornrow by cornrow or braid by braid. So this is my first braid. So I'm gonna use my scrunchie to put the rest of the crochet braids aside. So what I'm gonna do is just to use my finger to part away any strands of my hair that might have gotten close to the crochet braid in here, because I have had in these crochet braids for a couple of weeks. As you can see, it has grown out somewhat, so I'm just gonna use my finger and run it along the crochet braids along my cornrows just to separate any of my hair that might have gotten close to this. So after doing that, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut as close to my cornrows as I possibly can, leaving only the knots of the crochet braids. Okay. So after you're done, you should be left with this, and all you have to do now is to repeat what you did before. So you section the crochet braids and you use your finger just to remove any of your hair that might have entangled itself in the crochet braids. And once you have done that, you go ahead and cut. This is how much my hair has grown out. My hair also looks very dry. That is sad. I am definitely a lazy natural, but what can I do? Another tip while cutting out your hair, just look to ensure that your hair is not included in what you're about to cut, because things happen and sometimes our hair just does stuff that we're not expecting. It does stuff when we're not looking, and I find it really crazy. So just pay attention, okay? Okay, so that's it for cutting out the crochet braids. That process took me less than 10 minutes, and after you've cut everything out, you should be left with just the knots. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull them out. And if you're planning on doing like a big chop, cutting out your crochet braids like this will give you an idea of how you would look with a big chop. And I don't think I would look good with a big chop, so I'm not even gonna consider it. Or if I do consider it, then I will not go this low. No. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the knots. The knots are very easy to come out. Like, it shouldn't be tugging on your hair when you're taking them out, so it should be easy peasy. This is my favorite part of taking down my crochet braids, just popping out the knots and throwing them aside. I don't know, I feel some sort of freedom after I've taken out my crochet braids or any type of braids at all. Like, my hair just feels free, and yeah, it's nice to give your hair some time to breathe. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for the next couple of days. 5 minutes later and I have completely removed all of the knots. So this process shouldn't take you 30 minutes. I mean, if your crochet braids are much smaller than mine were, then it probably will take you 30 minutes, but other than that, this should not take long, and I find this to be the easiest way to remove my crochet braids. So the next step is to actually safely take down my cornrows. My dry, thirsty cornrows. Yeah, I'll probably make a video on how to safely take down your cornrows. Yeah, but if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what other videos you would like to see. When I did my last giveaway, I did ask what videos you guys wanted to see, and I did my best to create those videos for you guys. So let me know what other videos you would like to see, and I will do my best to work on those for you guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.